So we're in the living room of the house right now because it got dropped off on the front porch, and I'm going to have to unbox it here rather than trying to move it down, as it is quite heavy. So this here is the 12-inch variable speed WEN drill press, model number 4214. There is a little bit of damage to the box during the shipping, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Well, let's open up and see how it looks inside. Well, so far so good. Let's get these components out. Instruction booklet. That's packed in there tight. That's the table. That's the column. Pretty heavy duty stuff. I think that there's the 5/8 chuck. Everything's pretty well wrapped nice. Well, we will know more as I get it unwrapped. So now we have it all completely unboxed. Let's move it down to the shop and put it together. Alright, so we'll keep the manual handy. Nice solid cast iron base. Now that we have it assembled, let's go over some of its features. So right here we have the variable speed control arm. Let's turn it on and see how it works. You can rotate the table and lock it into any position you like. A wrench comes with your drill press, so you can loosen the bolt underneath if you want to tilt the table. It will tilt up to 45 degrees in both directions, which is quite handy. And the handle that moves the table up and down works relatively smooth. It also has a built-in table extension to hold longer pieces, which I find very handy. And lock it in place right here. One of the nice built-in features is it has a light and a laser. The depth of cut is 3 inches. It has a locking nut with a jam nut, so you can set the depth of cut that you want. Alright, let's fire this up and try it out. This here is a 1/4 inch drill bit going through a 1/4 inch piece of mild steel bar. No problem at all. So let's try a 1/2 inch drill bit. So this here is a 1/2 inch drill bit. Now obviously that took a little bit longer, and you could see it started to bog down as it broke through the other side of the material. And I put a pretty good amount of downward pressure on this as I was drilling down through it. But again, as it started to break through, that's when it bogged down a little bit, but overall I'm quite satisfied with it. My thoughts on this drill press is I give it a thumbs up. I think it performs pretty well, especially for what I'm going to do in the shop. I like the 5/8 chuck. I definitely love the variable speed. That's really nice. You don't have to sit there and mess around and fumble around with playing with belts. And this table extension is really nice. But overall, I give it a big thumbs up with the quality. You know, the price point was really good. I got it on Amazon. I think I paid around $350 something for it. You probably can find a better deal out there somewhere. But anyway, I hope this is helpful. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications for my latest videos. Anyway, glad you could join me, and take care.